We are talking about that injection that unscrupulous farmers inject in their vegetables to make these vegetables grow faster and bigger. It's that same injection that milkmen give to their buffaloes for increased milk production. It's that injection that is now being administered to young girls, sometimes by their own parents, to make them grow faster. Why? To push them into prostitution at a much younger age. This is happening less than 200 kilometers from the national capital. This is happening in small villages close to Alwar. Abhishek Bhalla and Preeti Chaudhary with this headlines today, national exclusive.
The vial of sin flows into the little girl's veins, day after day. She matures rapidly. Very soon, she resembles a young woman. The little one is now ready to be sold in the flesh bazaar.
छोटी छोटी बच्चियों को किडनैप करके और ये गैंग जो है बड़े बनाने का काम करते हैं और कई ऐसे लड़कियों को जो बॉम्बे भेजते हैं। बेड़िया कम्युनिटी है, नट कम्युनिटी है, ये कई ऐसे कम्युनिटी हैं जो इन लड़कियों को इंजेक्शंस देके यहाँ तक पता चला है कि अरब कंट्रीज तक भी भेजे जाते हैं।
मतलब क्या है कि शुरू से ही हमारे इन परिवारों में दर पीढ़ी दर से ही ऐसा ये वेश्यावृत्ति का धंधा चला आ रहा है। मैचुअर लड़कियां होती हैं, ये नहीं कि सभी कराते हैं, कुछ लड़कियां हैं जो कराते हैं, यहाँ भी कराते हैं, जैसे खाने कमाने के बाहर भी कहीं चली जाती हैं, ऐसा होता है।
This is a story of immature dreams forced to ripen before time. Little girls pumped with the growth hormone oxytocin like cattle and then pushed into prostitution, sold in Mumbai and Dubai.
जो ऑक्सीटॉक्सिन जो इंजेक्शन है, जो कि हमारे यहाँ मतलब दूध के लिए भी लगाते हैं, जानवरों को भी लगाते हैं, फल सब्जियों में भी लेते हैं काम में, और वो ये इंजेक्शन इन बच्चों को लगवाते थे। जिससे कि लड़कियां, वैसे लड़कियां बहुत सुंदर है, ये तो खुद काले पीले गंदे, इनको कोई रहने का पूर नहीं है।
Headlines today is about to unravel one of the best kept secrets of a cruel sex syndicate. The most sinister going on in the village of Sodawar and Girwar in Rajasthan.
The girls are brought to this village from far and wide. They are kidnapped when they are as young as 6 months old. Love, affection and nourishment is showered on them, and they are brought up as daughters of this very own village.
And then in a macabre twist of fate, the daughters of these very villages are pushed into the flesh trade, where they earn their keep by selling in, trading in their very own dignity. Headlines today traveled right into the middle of nowhere, in these dusty bylanes, to expose the devious methods used by flesh dealers to drive young innocent kids into the sex racket. Kidnapped girls are brought here from far and wide. Even infants as young as 6 months old. Repeated, unregulated shots of oxytocin over a long period of time ensures faster sexual maturation of even very little girls.
See, it causes a lot of hormonal changes, like it affects their early puberty, and they'll have all those unregulated, that feeling of love, trust, and they'll trust people more, and it causes a lot of sexual arousal also. So that is why they're misusing this hormone, because it arouses these feelings in these girls.
These lanes are hidden factories of this macabre fresh trade, where innocence gets trampled every moment, and all in the name of tradition. With Abhishek Bhalla, Anuj Mishra and camera person Abhay Kumar, Preeti Chaudhary, reporting in Girwar, Alwar for Headlines Today.